OVS Resource Connect is a concern-based online search engine connecting users with potential crime victim resources managed by the New York State Office of Victim Services, OVS. By allowing users to search for resources by concern, category, keyword, and geographic location, OVS Resource Connect quickly locates crime victim services, resources, and information provided by Victim Assistance Programs, VAPs, funded by OVS. To access the site, visit ovs.ny.gov/connect, or from the OVS homepage, click OVS Resource Connect under the Help section of the top menu bar. To use the site, look for the Search All Concerns field and type any victim-related concerns or keywords. To filter results near you, type in your zip code and choose a mile radius. Then click Search. OVS Resource Connect maintains thousands of keywords associated with nearly 100 different concerns. The more keywords you use in your search, the better the results. When searching by keyword, resources will automatically populate on a new page. You can navigate through each concern to find the one that relates closest to your initial search. When you click on a concern category, the resources associated will automatically populate on the next page. If a zip code was initially entered, the resources closest to you will appear first. Resources are shown with helpful information, including a brief description about that organization and contact information if available. You also have the option to contact the organization directly through OVS Resource Connect using the Contact this resource button. In addition to the site search function, you can also find resources by scrolling down to the Categories and Browse sections on the bottom of the OVS Resource Connect homepage. Here, you'll find access to resources listed alphabetically. You can also click on Victim Assistance Programs map to see where OVS-funded VAPs are located. We hope you have benefited from this brief tour of OVS Resource Connect. If you would like more information or have any questions, please email ovsresourceconnect@ovs.ny.gov. OVS, providing help, healing, and hope for crime victims in New York State.